with my friend David here. He just found some pheasant's back mushrooms, and these are valuable, aren't they?
They're supposedly better than morale mushrooms.
No, they are, folks. Look at that. David has been a mushroom hunter for a lot of his life. Now, first we want to take a look at this plant here. What is this? The 3-leaf with the thumb.
Oh,
David's gonna be itchy. Little poison oak right there. He's already touched it, so I'm just gonna let him go ahead and get it. We got him, guys. This has made this house purchase totally worth it. Well, that has been our first installment of our shroom hunt on the farm, folks, and we got them. We got them. They'll be so pumped, won't they? You think they'll be happy?
I hope so.
What do you guys think?
Those are ones you're not supposed to eat, aren't they?
No, they are.
You don't know for sure, though. I don't want to eat.
Pheasant back mushrooms, and you can cook these. These taste better than morels. I will be the guinea pig to try it out myself.
You just want them all for yourself.
No,
don't you?
I'll try a little
You just
one.
eat it raw like that?
No.
We have soaked them in lukewarm salt water. So we're picking up the shrooms. We got them chopped up, and now we're getting them a little saute. We'll see how they turn out. Now we gotta try them. All right, what do we think?
They're actually really good.
Really good, obviously.
Don't know because I didn't try.
They're good, folks. They're gone. They were good. They're gone and they're good. The mushrooms were actually incredible. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if there are any other kinds of mushrooms I should be keeping an eye out for.